So there is a new way to use Google's AI video generator for completely free. I actually accidentally found out about it when I was scrolling through the YouTube shorts. Here is one video that I made using it.
Why did the computer show up late to work?
Because it had a hard drive.
Pretty cool, right? So it's actually a Google's new service or a new feature in YouTube app. So you'll need a YouTube app on your phone, Android or iOS. I haven't tested on iOS because I have an Android phone. So if you're watching this on iOS, let me know if it works on iOS or not in the comments. Now, to use the AI video generator, you simply open the YouTube app on your phone and then click on plus icon. Here you can record yourself and make YouTube Shorts videos. Now you can also make AI videos. So there are two ways to do this. First, using that Gemini icon at the top right side. It's red and orange circle and the Gemini icon. You can click on it. And here you can select different presets, or there are different options. Create video. Here you can just give it a prompt and create the video, or you can choose other options like make me move, photo to video, image, background, music, and all that. If you don't want to upload anything, you just want to generate the videos, you can click on create video, and from here give your prompt, and it will also suggest you some prompt. So actually, let's use one of the prompts. Make me best friends with the Grim Reaper drinking boba tea. If you want to add your image here yourself, you can click on add image and add your image from the gallery. I'm gonna actually upload one of my old video here, and then I'm gonna hit enter, and it's gonna start generating the video based on prompt and also the uploaded image. Again, if you don't want to use image, you can just simply give it a prompt and it will generate the video based on your prompt. Once it's done, it will play the video. Listen to this.
I never thought I'd be doing this with you, Reaper.
Yeah.
You'd be surprised what the afterlife needs. But this tea is really good. Cheers to...
This is actually pretty cool. So this is basically a new feature in YouTube app that lets you create YouTube Shorts using AI. You can use your images and all that. If you use your images, you can create some cool videos or funny videos like this. For this video, we used simple prompt. It automatically added the audio. Okay. Most of the time, if you use simple prompt, it will randomly use some kind of audio based on the context. Sometimes it's funny, sometimes it's whatever. So yeah, if you want to be specific, you want to add your own dialogues in the video, yeah, you can also do that. Now you can go next and publish this as a short, or you can click on download button to download this and it will get saved in your gallery. Now let's create a video without uploading image. Okay, just gonna give this prompt. You can pause the video to read it. I'm just gonna hit enter and check this out. Beautiful scene. It looks amazing. Okay, so you can generate any kind of videos that you want, and it has the same limitations as Veo. Okay, it gives you the 8 seconds long video that we get from the Veo, but it's completely free. Okay, anyone can use this. Only downside is that you have to use the YouTube app. You can't use it on the YouTube website. And when you're in record screen, you can also simply add the photo. Let's say I want to add this dog's picture in here. You can see there is a option at the top, photo to video. I can simply click on it. It will bring me to where I can generate the AI videos, and it gives you suggestions based on your image. Okay, it's a dog, so there are a couple of suggestions, like the dog tilts its head and says, let's go play outside. Sometimes it might fail to generate the video. The download option also goes under 3-dot menu. Okay, you have to click there and then you can click on save to device to download the generated video. So if you see black screen after you generated the video, that means it failed. So you can click on try again to generate the video again. Let me turn myself into a rapper. So I'm gonna give this prompt and I'm gonna upload my image. And let's generate. This is actually crazy. Listen to this.
Yo, check the flow. The city's heartbeat strong, living day by day where we all belong. The hustle's real under the sun's bright gleam. This is my world, living out the dream.
I'm gonna download this. I need to post this as a YouTube short and TikTok. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, so you can create some really interesting, AI videos of yourself That's what I recommend actually. But if you want to, you can create anything that you want. But yeah, this is actually pretty cool. And again, the best part is it's completely free. In my opinion, this feature is actually pretty cool in YouTube to make some fun videos of yourself and enjoy it. Some people like AI, some don't, so I'm not gonna go too deep into it. The thing that you need to understand right now is that we can't escape AI. I'm not saying this in a bad way. I know there are different opinions and all that. At the end of the day, AI is a tool which is just fresh, new. People are slowly adopting it. It's not good, it's not bad, but the thing is, it's the future. Should I make video on what I think about AI? Comment down below. I'll make another video. I'll give you guys my thoughts. Okay, we can have some fun on that video too. And yeah, that's it with this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye.